Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace an exterior door. I think it's time because we replaced about couple times our blinds. Our cats wanna see what's going on in our backyard and they like to break our blinds. So this is why we bought a different door with blinds built in inside of the door. Also, an exterior of the door is rotten. This is why it's time to replace it. We're gonna keep all of our hardware because it's good, we like it. Because the door is super heavy, I'm gonna start unscrewing the door from the frame. Now we're gonna be focusing on completely removing the frame of the door. Now I need to remove all nails. I cleaned everything and now this door is ready for the first fit. Super heavy. We have in-swing door, meaning that the door is gonna be closing inside of the house, but there is also outswing when it opens outside. We're gonna remove this. It's a screw. So now it should fit in. Almost perfect. Not level, but perfect. As you can probably see, the trim of the door does not fit the opening, so I need to remove carefully the exterior trim of the door and make some adjustments. When the trim is removed, the installation will be much easier. Make sure that the frame of the door is leveled before screwing it into the place. Now when the frame is leveled, I can attach it to the stud with screws. Hide the screws behind insulation so they won't be visible. Now when the frame is leveled, I'm gonna temporarily install using screws the trim of the door to keep the frame in place. Now I need to fix this gap. And here are wooden shims that I'm gonna be using. To fix this gap, I need to lift this corner. I'm putting shims in this corner. And here's the final result. There is no gap right now. Now I can add more screws to the frame. Now I need to install all the hardware on this door. I put the wooden shims in the between of the frame and the door opening. Do not forget to check level when you're installing the shims. To insulate this door, I'm using window and door foam insulation. Now I'm gonna be filling all of the gaps with this foam insulation. Now I can finally install an interior door trim. To install the exterior trim, first I need to cut all of the shims. I made some adjustments to my exterior trim and now I can install it. Now everything should fit perfectly. Now I'm gonna apply some caulk in the between of the door trim and the opening. I'm using an electric caulking gun that the company called Y sent me for review. If someone is interested about the products I'm using to install this door, I'm gonna list them in the description of this video. The installation of the door was surprisingly easy, and I'm really happy with the results. Let me know, guys, what you think about this installation in the comment section below. I'm super happy that we installed this door. It looks wonderful. And now our cats won't be able to destroy the blinds. And it is very easy to open and close blinds. Super cool. Love it. And as always, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching.